Everyone look! We have very special visitors.
What are they? What are they?
Those are orcas, also called killer whales.
They're amazing! Wow, they're dancing! This is the coolest thing I've ever seen!
Earlier that morning, Lily and Oliver were helping at their family's beach cafe.
Good morning, helpers. We have a busy day ahead.
We're ready! A clean cafe makes customers happy. I'm helping too. I'm a cafe worker now. Uh-oh. It's okay, Lily. Everyone makes mistakes. Thanks, Oliver.
Think you can handle this, Oliver?
Absolutely. I've got this. I've got this. Steady. Don't spill. Don't spill. Catch it! Oh no! Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall!
Great save!
You did it! You did it! Told you.
Great job, team. Keep it up.
I want a big job too.
Okay, little helper. You can do it, Lily.
I'll be very careful. Nothing will go wrong. Professional waitress coming through. No! Looks like it's raining straws. Looks like it's raining straws. This is not funny.
Teamwork saves the day.
Always. We did it!
You all worked very hard today.
And we have a surprise for you.
You earned a special reward.
An ocean adventure! We're going to the ocean! This is awesome!
Their biggest adventure was about to begin.
I can't wait! This is going to be amazing! Wow! It's huge! This is our boat! Best day ever! The ocean goes on forever. It looks endless.
Welcome aboard, explorers. Today we will discover the wonders of the ocean. Dolphins, sea turtles, and many colorful fish live out there.
I want to see all of them.
Keep watching. We might see something soon.
Keep your eyes open. We may see dolphins very soon.
I hope we find one.
I don't see anything yet.
Keep looking. Oliver, the ocean is shrinking.
You're holding them backwards.
Look! Something is out there.
It's a dolphin!
We found one! Hello, dolphin. You're beautiful.
Wow! It jumped so high! I need a picture! Mom and Dad won't believe this!
Look at all the fish.
There are hundreds of them.
There are hundreds of them. They look like little swimming oranges.
They're clownfish.
They're clownfish.
Look at those colors.
It looks like a rainbow fish. A sea turtle.
It's huge.
Bye-bye, turtle. Have a wonderful day.
Everyone look! We have very special visitors.
What are they? What are they?
Those are orcas, also called killer whales.
They're amazing!
Wow, they're dancing.
This is the coolest thing I've ever seen!
There! I saw it again.
Wait, I saw it too.
The mystery was getting closer, but nobody knew what it was.
What do you think it is?
Maybe it's treasure.
The answer was hidden just below them. It wasn't treasure. It was something even more amazing. Some sea creatures can produce their own light. It's called bioluminescence.
That's incredible!
That's exactly right.
Nature is even cooler than treasure.
I know what it is. It's the ocean treasure.
Only you would call it that.
Everyone look! I think we have one more surprise.
That thing is huge.
I've never seen anything so big.
That's a sperm whale, one of the largest animals on Earth.
Best whale ever. Goodbye, giant whale.
What an amazing day. My favorite part was the dolphin.
My favorite part was the ocean treasure.
Welcome back, explorers!
We saw dolphins!
Dolphins! And a glowing mystery.
It was the greatest adventure ever!
I believe you.